Let's dive in, you dating Casanovas. Are you tired of boring cookie-cutter dates that fizzle out faster than a soda left open overnight? What if I told you that planning the perfect date isn't just about the destination, but the experience you create? Ever wondered why some dates spark magic while others are just awkward silences and cold coffee? Are you ready to ditch boring dates forever and create unforgettable memories? Stick around, because today, we're unlocking the secrets to crafting unforgettable dates that will leave both you and your partner wanting more. Here are 15 sizzling tips. Tip 1. Know your audience. First things first, know who you're planning for. Are you dating an adventurous thrill seeker or a cozy homebody who loves movie marathons? Understanding your partner's preferences is key. This isn't just a date, it's an opportunity to connect on a deeper level. When you tailor your plans to their interests, you're showing that you care. So do your homework, ask questions and listen. Dive into their likes and dislikes, and you'll have a treasure trove of ideas to pull from. Tip 2. Create a theme. Let's talk themes. Ever thought about creating a date around a central idea? Maybe it's a culinary tour of Italy night where you cook Italian dishes together, or a retro game night featuring classics from the 80s. A theme adds flair and makes the date feel special. It's not just dinner, it's an experience. Plus, a theme gives you both something fun to talk about, making conversation flow more easily. Think about how you can integrate little touches that reflect the theme, like themed decorations or music. Tip 3. Location, location, location. You've heard it before, but it's worth repeating. Location matters. Whether it's a quaint cafe or a stunning park, the right backdrop can elevate your date. Think about what vibe you want to create, romantic, fun, or adventurous. And don't forget to check the ambiance. Nobody wants to dine in a place that feels like a dentist's waiting room. A well-chosen location can set the tone for the entire evening, so consider places that encourage connection and conversation. Tip 4. Plan for comfort. Comfort is key to a great date. Choose activities that allow for conversation, like walking through a museum or enjoying a picnic. High-pressure environments, like fancy restaurants with strict dress codes, can create unnecessary stress. Remember, you want your date to feel relaxed and open, not like they're auditioning for a reality show. The more comfortable you both are, the more genuine your interaction will be, allowing you to really connect. Tip 5. Incorporate surprises. Here's a little secret. Everyone loves a good surprise. Whether it's a sweet treat waiting at the end of the date or an unexpected stop at a beautiful viewpoint, surprises can add excitement. Just make sure they're thoughtful. Like if you know your date loves puppies, maybe end the evening at a local dog park. Trust me, those little moments make a big impact. Surprises create shared experiences that you'll both remember, so think creatively about how to incorporate them throughout your time together. Tip 6. Be prepared to improvise. Let's be real, not everything goes as planned. Sometimes the restaurant is closed or the weather decides to rain on your parade. Be ready to pivot and adapt. Having a backup plan shows you're flexible and resourceful. Plus, spontaneity can lead to some of the best moments, like finding a hidden gem of a coffee shop when your original plan falls through. Embrace the unexpected. You might just create an unforgettable memory. Tip 7. Keep it interactive. Interactive dates are often the most memorable. Think cooking classes, pottery workshops, or even mini golf. Engaging in activities together fosters connection and keeps things fun. Plus, a little friendly competition can spark playful banter. Just remember, the goal is to bond, so keep the vibe lighthearted and enjoyable. The more you interact, the more comfortable you'll both feel, making it easier to open up. Tip 8. Set the mood with music. Don't underestimate the power of music. Create a playlist that fits the theme of your date. Romantic tunes for a cozy night in, or upbeat tracks for a fun outing. Music sets the tone and can elevate the entire experience. Plus, it gives you both something to discuss. Who doesn't love sharing favorite songs or artists? Use music to create an atmosphere that matches your desired vibe, whether it's energizing or relaxing. Tip 9. Capture the moments. Ever heard the saying, "A picture is worth 1,000 words"? Snap some photos during your date, whether it's a funny selfie or a scenic backdrop. Capturing those moments creates lasting memories. Plus, it gives you something to reminisce about later. Just be mindful not to overdo it. You don't want to spend the entire evening behind a camera. A few candid shots can spark conversations and create a sense of nostalgia that deepens your bond. Tip 10, end with a thoughtful gesture. Finish strong with a thoughtful gesture. This could be a small gift, a handwritten note, or even a promise to plan the next date. Ending on a high note leaves a lasting impression. It shows you're invested in the connection and eager to see them again. Trust me, it's these little touches that will have them smiling long after the date is over. A well-timed gesture can leave a lasting impression and set the stage for future dates. Tip 11, evaluate and reflect. After the date, take a moment to reflect on what worked and what didn't. Did you both enjoy the activities? Were there any awkward moments? Evaluating your experience allows you to improve for next time. And don't be afraid to ask your date for feedback. It shows you're committed to making things even better, and it can lead to great conversations about what you both enjoy. Tip 12, be yourself. Authenticity is the name of the game. Don't try to be someone you're not just to impress. Let your true personality shine through, quirks and all. Being genuine fosters trust and connection. Remember, the right person will appreciate you for who you are, not some polished version of yourself. So relax, be honest, and don't be afraid to show your true colors. Tip 13, stay present. In our tech-driven world, it's easy to get distracted. Put away your phone during the date, unless you're taking a cute selfie. Focus on your partner and the conversation. Being present shows that you value the time spent together. Plus, it creates a deeper connection, which is what dating is all about. Your undivided attention will make your partner feel special and appreciated. Tip 14, have fun. Here's the bottom line, have fun. Don't stress about perfection. Instead, enjoy the journey. Laugh at the mishaps and celebrate the wins. The more relaxed you are, the more your partner will be too. So, whether it's a grand adventure or a simple dinner, embrace the joy of connecting with someone special. The best dates are the ones filled with laughter and shared joy. Tip 15, plan for the future. Finally, don't just think about this date, plan for the future. Discuss potential activities you'd both like to do next time. This shows you're interested in building something meaningful. It sets the stage for ongoing connection and keeps the momentum going. Plus, who doesn't love having something to look forward to? Planning future adventures can deepen your bond and keep the excitement alive. There you have it, 15 bold tips to plan and create the perfect dates. Remember, it's all about connection and creating memorable experiences. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your go-to date idea? Drop a comment below and let's chat about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you want to elevate your dating game even further, head over to promiscuouspost.com for more advanced tips and tricks. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. Until next time, go out there and create some magic.